Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of heavy-duty shelf supports with the LEOP 14-inch shelf brackets and supports. If you're looking to maximize your storage space with style, these might just be what you need. These shelf brackets from LEOP are designed for durability and functionality. Made from heavy-duty steel and coated with a rust-resistant, power-frosted black finish, they're built to last. Each bracket measures 14 inches by 9 3/4 of an inch, perfect for supporting shelves from 14 to 18 inches deep. One of the standout features is their impressive load-bearing capacity. Each bracket can hold up to 130 pounds individually, making them ideal for a wide range of applications from garages to kitchens, bedrooms, and offices. The build quality here is top-notch. Unlike regular paint coatings, the frosted black finish ensures these brackets stay rust-free and maintain their sleek appearance over time. This not only enhances their durability but also adds a touch of modern style to any space. Installing these brackets is straightforward thanks to the included high-quality screws and the detailed installation manual provided by LEOP. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned pro, setting up your shelves with these brackets is a breeze. These brackets are not just about strength, they're also about versatility. They're designed to complement a variety of interior styles, blending seamlessly into any room while offering robust support for your shelving needs. In conclusion, if you're in the market for shelf brackets that marry heavy-duty performance with aesthetic appeal, the LEOP 14-inch shelf brackets and supports are an excellent choice. With their sturdy build, rust-resistant coating, and easy installation, they're truly a standout option for anyone looking to optimize their space. That wraps up our review of the LEOP 14-inch shelf brackets and supports. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.